Okay, go.
Hi, Mama. Hey, Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ayan ang presentation ni Mama, dedicated to Mama. Kaylen is dancing and playing drums. Yan.
Si maligayang.
Maligayang.
Say it, maligayang.
Maligayang bati, Mama.
Maligayang.
Lola, Mama.
Say it. Say happy birthday to you.
Oh, say it. Come on. Oh. Ah, yan. Pinapakita niya. Yan daw ang
She
ano.
wants to play drum.
Yan daw ang...
talking more.
Okay, yay. Happy birthday,
Okay, go.
Mama. Happy
Say
birthday.
maligayang.
Maligayang.
A drum band.
Maligayang.
Ew.
Maligayang.
Come on.
Kailan?
Maligayang.
Maligayang. Maligayang.
Maligayang.
Bati.
Patsy.
Lola.
Wua. I love
Aligring.
you. Aligring. I love you. Say I love you.
I love you.
Huwag ka masalita ka na.
Yay.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Come on, Tula.
Wala naman kami dyan. Lagi ka namin inaalala.
I can tell
At inaalala ang iyong
Ito ba? Ano ba, Mama?
sa mabuti kang kalusugan lagi. And we wish you more blessings to come. At lagi kong mag-iingat kayo at namimiss na po namin kayo dyan lahat. Sa mga kamag-anak namin, Bandong family, Ramos family, maraming salamat to be a part of the occasion. Nag-grace kayo at pag-attend nyo at pagkaalala at pagsuporta. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. At lagi po kami nandito, nagmamahal sa inyo. We miss you all. At sa lahat ng uncle, aunties, mga pinsan ko.
Hi. Say hi. Hello.
Hindi ko nababanggit sa mga kapatid ko.
Hi, everybody. Say hi,
Annabelle, Annabelle.
Why no?
At Ate Tess, salamat din
Say happy birthday.
for extending your help to the family, for all the support.
This way.
Okay, that's it.
Come on.
Okay, go.
Happy birthday! Regards to all. We miss you.
Alin!
Come on!
Oh,